Whiskey Papa Station. Could you repeat your call sign? Whiskey Papa to Mike Hotel QSL.
Aircraft and mobile today, 40,000 feet up in over Freeport, Nassau.
QSL. Oh, this is the first time I made a contact with a mobile station in the air. So I copied the 4,000 feet. This is a great day for me. Your signal 5757 in Massachusetts. So by the way, where's your location? Where are you located? Over.
12,000 feet up on the Freeport, Bahamas area, airborne. Over.
So you are flying over Bahama. Is it QSL?
Yes, sir. Is it correct? Yes, sir. Charlie, it is correct. And coming into the coast, can you answer it up into the Atlanta area? Can you copy call sign? Over.
Yeah, okay. My call sign is Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey QSL.
Okay, Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Good copy there. And if you can copy, flight ID is 903 Sierra. If you can look that up. Over.
It's a 905 Sierra. 905 Sierra, correct?
Negative 903 Sierra.
I'm sorry, as a 9033 Sierra QSL.
We got it. 903 Sierra. Top letters only. Over.
QSL 903 Sierra. I will check that. Thank you for replying. And then this is great for me. This is the first time. 73. Bye. 73. Yeah, this is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Over.
Kilo Charlie 1.
Yeah, thank you. This is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Alpha Tango Whiskey QSL.
Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Friday, UC Lansing Center of Puerto Rico.
QSL, you are 59 in Massachusetts. 59 in Massachusetts. QSL.
Roger. Thank you. 73. Bye-bye.
Thank you for nice contact. 73.